Hey, what's going on? This is Craig here, and I'm going to be opening some more packs today. Got about 10 packs yesterday, so let's do it. There we go. This has been quite slow at the moment. So, let's see. Let's open this one first, since we only have the one of it. At this point, like, I've got a lot of stuff that, there's a lot of stuff I don't have, and there's a lot of stuff I do have that I wouldn't mind having two of them. This thing's pretty good. Although I played a Night March deck yesterday and I just wrecked it because it's like, it's very gimmicky. Ooh, Chandelure. Can't actually use it, but not bad. But yeah, I beat it because, like, obviously it needs time to set up, and it's like if you can stop it before it sets up, then you're laughing. Yeah, let's open these two. Actually got some of these the other day in real life and got some nice stuff out of them. Got a nice full art Galadex. I need a Tranquil, so that'll give me on Pheasant. Speaking of Pheasant. Yeah, looks alright. That works quite nice as well. And another one. Oh, I've already got all of them. Like, it didn't even give me a chance to do the thing there. Let's see. Okay, we got 5 of them. I thought we had 3 of them. Let's open these Furious Fists. Give me a Lucario. Another goal is pretty bad. I like using the Psychic deck. That's not a bad card either. Politoed, I've already got that, but it's alright, I guess. Ooh, a Trapinch. That looks pretty nice. Whistle. Well, this is all, I mean, it might not be great, but it's all new, so that's good. What does this do? Ah, so that works like it does in the game. Could be good. And then you switch. I do already have that actually, but not that specific one. Got a Salamence gameplay that I want to upload later that was pretty tasty as well. Ooh, Makuhita. Don't really like Licky Tongue, but that's alright. Oh, this EV's decent. Oh, She-Hulk! It's a dream! I don't have Lucario EX though, which is a shame, but that's very nice. We have to see if we can trade for one or something. Oh, that's ridiculous donkey. Oh, these got 10 cards in them, sweet. God of War, very nice. Ooh, Registeel. Not bad. The Regice is very good. I already had this. A couple of Goomies. I really like the artwork on that one. Lysandra. I think it's saying new, but I've already got one of them. Oh, this is good. Oh, Rotom as well. Ooh, nice. I have this in real life as well. That's good because I've got quite a lot of P1s and P2s, so that's good. Ooh, hollow. What's that? Oh nice, I've got a Mega Sceptile, so I can use that. Metagross, nice. I think I have another Metagross, although I think it's the other one, so that's good. More options. And for Spirit Link, I think I've got a couple of them I can probably trade now. I already have this, I've already just gotten one, so stop saying it's new. Oh, another PZ. Not sure which one's better, I'll have to have a look. Ah, Sliggoo, nice. Now we can use Goodra. I think all their attacks use Fairy and Water Energy. Oh, that's a hollow one. Oh, maybe that's why that Lysandra was thinking. Oh, nice! I do already have one of these, but this is great. Because this card is redonkulous. Right, well that's all the packs opened. That was not too bad. Yeah, we got a Lucario, Mega Lucario EX. So yeah, that was pretty tasty. So I'm gonna go play some games, upload that video, and I will see you all later. Peace!